Hey guys, Mish, Dr. Cox here from Ground to Overhead with your daily episode of Body Armor. Today we're going to be talking about rolling. This is great for everybody. Anybody who has difficulty getting out of bed, stiffness in their low back, if you've struggled with recruiting your core and you've been told to kind of log roll and you're feeling better and you want to get back into the normal motions of the back and the body. What we're going to start out as in just a nice long pike kind of formation without lifting up. And what you're going to do is you're going to work on lifting this knee towards your opposite shoulder and coming across. Now the goal of this is keeping as much of your spine on the ground as possible and gradually twisting on over, reaching on out until you can't go any further, and then spinning back over. You'll repeat this sequence, lifting your leg up, reaching towards that opposite shoulder, again keeping your spine on the ground as best as possible, and then flipping back around when you can't go anymore. The idea of this is that you are essentially wringing out your spine, trying to get each little segment to move for you so it gets its normal mechanics of the back. This is great, like I said, for anybody who wants to get a little bit more motion in their back or notices that they move better one way versus the other when they're going to twist and reach behind them. If you like what we're bringing you, hit the subscribe button and tune back in for our next episode.